So in this video, let us see how to traverse through the linked list. So we have head pointer. So we can point the temporary pointer to the head. So let us make that. I will use a text box. So I have created a temporary element which is temp, temporary pointer which is temp, and I will point to that head. Then after pointing to the head, I will use a while loop. And when the temporary pointer reaches to the null or none, so as in other languages like C, C++ or Java, it is called as null. So in Python, it is referenced as none. So when the temporary pointer reaches to none, I will stop our while loop. So when this reaches to none, I will break the while loop. But before that, I have to traverse through each element. So what I will do is I will use while loop. Then I can use the next property, as we know that next property will allow us to reach to the next element. So uh, I will use head dot next. Then after using that, I will reach to the first node. Then I can use I can use temp dot next, because we have temp element pointing to this element. So the temp dot next will allow me to go to the next element. Then we will go to the 8, and then we will go to the last element. And when we will find the none, that is when we will know we have reached to the last element, we will break our while loop. So this is how we will work. So let us go to our PyCharm window. Let us start building the while loop to traverse through our linked list. So we know that we have to point a temporary element to our head. So I will write temp equals to single linked list dot head. So our temp is pointing to the head element of our linked list. So I will write while loop while temp is not none. So until we don't find a none element, we will continue traversing to the linked list. That is, we will start from head, and until we are not finding the none element, we are not stopping the while loop. Now we have written the condition. That is, when we will not find any none element, we will continue traversing to the loop. So let us print the data temp dot data. So while traversing to the each element, we will print the data of that node. So to print data in a single place, I can use end, and I can use this sign. So it will represent a linked list. And to move temp to the next element, I can use temp equals to temp dot next. So after traversing through the node, I will point temp to the next element. And let us try and run this code. So we have started from 5, then 3, 8 and 88. So here also we have written the same thing. So if you are able to run this code without any error, so congratulations for building your first linked list. So in the next video, we will see doubly linked list and how to traverse through it. So thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.